Today, two kinds of early humans are fighting for their lives: Neanderthal and Cro-Magnon. Their opponents, bone-chilling cold, incredible odds, and massive mammoths. Will anyone make it out of the Ice Age alive? Traveling back in time, millions of years flash by in seconds. We're face to face with the wildest creatures that ever walked. We're about to explore prehistoric PlaNet. Greetings from the Pleistocene epoch. It's 30,000 years ago, and the northern European summer looks pretty plush. Don't get too comfy. This is the Ice Age. For the last 2 million years, Earth's climate has been on a roller coaster ride, with periods of mild temperatures plunging into long periods of almost endless cold. That means summer is short. And when it's over, every last living thing will be attacked by bitter cold. So what's it going to take to live through the Ice Age?
Well,
here's one guy who hopes he has the answer. He's the woolly mammoth. Mammoth he is, at 10 feet tall. Throw in a shag coat that grows 3 feet long in the winter, plus 16-foot tusks, and they can match up with the chilliest the Ice Age has to offer. The mammoths wear those extra woolly coats to fight off this iciest of ages. Now, if cold were the only killer stalking the mammoths, they'd be safe. But there are plenty of other predators out there, too. That's why the females hang in herds to protect their kids. This cutie is just 6 months old, so he's still on the all-milk diet. Pretty soon, though, he'll grow into the more grown-up delicacy of grass. Mammoths gobble their greens non-stop. When these behemoths put in a full day on the grassy plain, scarfing down 400 pounds of the stuff is no problem. That's like eating 130 pizzas in one day. And all that foliage makes for mammoth loads of energy. For a mammoth, energy equals heat, which comes in mighty handy in the Ice Age. Now, stay warm tricks aren't just a mammoth thing. Antelopes evolved these extra wide noses to help heat up the cold air they breathe. And check out who else is chilling on the plain. Look kind of familiar? They should. That's one of the two types of early humans they call Pleistocene Europe home. Say hello to Cro-Magnon. About 40,000 years ago, they strolled out of Africa, and next thing you know, they were all over Europe. Since they don't have nature's insulation, they stay warm by wearing clothes and building shelters. They also make fires to heat those homes. Heck, they even eat a balanced diet. All sorts of plants, plus small animals that they hunt with simple weapons. Did they ever bag a mammoth? Scientists say they probably did. We know the Cro-Magnon definitely used mammoth tusks as the frames for their animal skin tents. Not only were the Cro-Magnon the first human home builders, they were also the first ones into fashion, making bead necklaces and weaving fabric for nice, warm clothing. Now mammoths, they just grow their winter coats. And since things start freezing up in August, this herd's fur is already into growth overdrive. And if they've been getting their 400-pound recommended daily allowance of grass, they should also be packing plenty of nature's insulation, a 4-inch layer of fat. But for the Cro-Magnon, all the tents and clothes in the world aren't warm enough to survive the winter this far north. So they started a tradition that a lot of people still stick to in the 21st century. When winter comes, head south. And when October looks like this, can you blame them? The the grass is totally covered by snow. And pretty soon temperatures will be a lovely 58 degrees below zero. That's even more than these big, blubbery hairballs can handle. So the mammoth